Safety training seminars in Los Gatos. The address is 236 North Santa Cruz Avenue. There's parking in the rear of the building, and there's also access from the street. Once you find a parking spot, make your way up the stairs. You'll see the gate here and the water fountain. You can take the stairs or the elevator. Once you get to the second floor, Safety Training Seminars is in Suite 246. Enter the glass doors here. Safety Training Seminars is on the right side, Suite 246. Enter the code that was provided to you here on the keypad. Press the unlock button. Come inside, the lights will automatically turn on. You can choose any station, log in, and begin your RQI skill test.